got there?
My little Walter.
Oh, is that Walther? Right. First time shooting it. We got a little old bottle right against the bank there, and give it a go. There you go. Now you're live. Because you want that dot right in between those dots. Right. I'd go right under the bottle. All right, there you're closer.
That was under?
No, I think it was just over top the bottle. All right, there you're under. I might have misseen the last one. There you got it.
Okay. Took me a little bit.
Yeah. Now we're loading up a pretty little Kimber compact. It's got 6-shot clip. Walter was a 15-shot clip. Goes the Kimber.
Ooh, that does have a little more kick to it.
Yeah. It looked like you kind of
I did it.
jerked the trigger too, didn't you? There you hit it.